All right, here we go. Sunday fun day. Got the fire alarm panel. I got my trough painted up really nicely. I got my black backboard ready. I'm gonna start out by building this whole contraption right here. All right, there she is. Surge protector on the side for the panel installed. I did 4 3/4 inches up to the trough, 4 3/4 inches up to the ceiling. Kind of overkill, probably could have got away with 3, but I'm a symmetrical guy. You either do 2 or 4. This side right here is my monitor and modules. I could have done a monitor and card that can handle up to 10, I believe, but wasn't sure how many we were going to be building, but it's basically going to be a monitor module for the attic, conventional heat detectors upstairs. We're running 5 conventional heat detectors out here. This building has no sprinkler. Then I got a pull station in an area that's cold and more heat detectors that are close by that are going to come out of these monitor. All right, finished product for the day. I got most of my wires. I got my loop of my Hornstrobes, my SLC that goes out to the devices. We got 24 volts for CO detectors. We got the Starlink Cat 6 and a 16.2 up and over. Starlink is going to go right there. I got all my SLC looped out through my modulars. I got my garage heats. I still got to rough in the 3 other modulars. And then over on this pipe, we got the other side of the SLC, the other side of the Hornstrobe, and the beacon. Gonna leave these as is. Up in the trough, what I did with everything was like a nice little loop. Even though we have the trough and I could just pull it back and splice it, figure why not? We'll flag everything. A nice little loop before I take off. Like I said when I built this, I like symmetry. That's why I went with 4 pipes, and I'll probably utilize all 4 pipes instead of 3. Other thing I try to do is centers and stuff. So that 4 square right there is centered between the trough. Instead of just going connector to connector, is centered between the trough and the top of the panel, all equally spaced, which pretty damn near close made it to the top. Conveniently worked out that it's at the bottom of the panel. Still have more space if they ever need to add more in the future, or they could do a modular card.